So what up? What's up, fellas? How you doing? Here we are at Trojan's Eagle Engines garage, hoping to be triumph at what we're facing here. This is what we call Frankenstein project. We've been calling it. We had to figure out where the timing marks were, and this car apparently seems like it was not out of alignment or out of time. These marks aligned up here. I had the mark index it. That's the mark right there. Up here, same thing. And right here. This chain at the bottom was aligned correctly whenever they did the camshafts. They replaced the camshafts with some high performance type ones, so that's the reason why they were here before somebody else. The galley gasket is the one that's the main thing that we're focusing on right now, so we're going to replace those with the proper gaskets that it should take and torque them down to inch pounds. This one here too goes about 6-7 pounds. Behind these there's adjusters, self-adjusters. The water pump's going to get replaced, and all these gears up there, including the belts. And once we're done with that, then we'll be able to put everything back together the way it was, if we can still remember how. No, we should be fine. I got most pictures, and this is where all the new parts are gonna be laying in the meantime. Water pump, thermostat, and what else? The pulley. I think, yeah, there was a pulley that was bad. That's over here. This pulley too has to be replaced. So anyways, we'll go ahead and start on the project here for another couple hours, and then let you know what's going to happen afterwards once we get it all together, whether it's going to start or not. But here's to the folks at home that are or have done this project before and maybe missed out on this little clue here on how to time it and keep it timed before we take anything off. Make sure that we put everything back together again, especially those cams and the crank and all the pulleys that are lining. Okay, that's it.